We have a data set here, 9, 6, 3, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4, and we want to calculate the mean, which is the statistical term for average, the median, which is the middle number when you line up the data, the mode is the most frequent data, the data that occurs the most, and mid-range, you take the smallest value, add the largest data value to it, and then divide that by 2. Let's start with the mean. So the mean, what you're going to do is you're just going to add up all the numbers and divide by how many that are there. So 9 plus 6 plus 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. And then divide by how many that are there. There's going to be 8 data values. Divide by 8. 9, 6, 3, 5, 8, 2, 3, 4. Those add up to 40. So 40 divided by 8 gives you a mean of 5. That's the average. All right, the median is the middle number when you line up the data. So let's start by lining it up. Let's start with 2. And then we have 2 3s. We have a 4 and then a 5, a 6, an 8, and a 9. So the median is the middle number when you line up the data. Now, if you have an odd number of data values, then there's going to be a middle number. But in this case, we have an even number of data values. So you can see that there is a tie for the middle. So when that happens, what you want to do is add these up and divide by 2. So take 4 plus 5 and divide by 2, and you get 4.5. So the median for this data set is 4.5. All right, now the mode, that's the data value that occurs the most. And if you look at the data value here, we have 2 3s. Every other data value only occurs once. So the mode here is simply going to be 3. And then the last one that I want is the mid-range. You want to take the smallest data value, which is 2, add the largest data value, which is 9, and divide that by 2. We get 11 divided by 2, which comes out to 5.5. That is how you calculate the mean, median, mode, and mid-range. There you go.